Okay, so this is going to be a quite easy tutorial on how to do the swing cut and the swivel cut. Now, in case you're wondering, yes, I will be uploading much more advanced tricks and sleights than this. I'm just kind of starting off with more basic stuff and then kind of progressing as I upload and more videos on this channel. So swing cut, swivel cut, very simple. This should not take too long. So what you're going to first do is, to do the swing cut, is you're just going to start off in your grip here. So this is kind of how I'm holding the deck, and the index finger is basically doing all this. It's just going to take about, half the cards or so, just depending on what you want, and your other hand is just going to simply come over, take that packet, and you just drop the rest of the cards on top. So again, this is the swing cut. Okay, and it's nice because it's all done in the hands. You don't have to, do it all on the table. It's just more convenient, I guess. You can also do it with multiple packets. Okay, so to do it with multiple packets for the swing cut, let's say maybe you're just shuffling up the card or something, then all you need to do is the same thing, but this time you're just going to take a smaller amount of cards like this, come over with your other hand and take it, another small number of cards, and just push it in like this. So this is all you're doing. Small number of cards, smaller cards, pushing in, and then you could just either just turn this over or just put this on top. Okay, so that's the multiple swing cut. For the swivel cut, like something like that. Okay, we will be doing a few sleights that will require the swivel cut, so that's kind of why I'm teaching it now. And again, this is also pretty straightforward as well. To do the swivel cut, you're in basically the same position as if you're going to do a swing cut, but what you're going to do is you're just going to come over with your other hand that's not holding the deck, and just basically just swivel, literally, those cards into your other hand, like so. Like that. So again, just taking the cards, swiveling it into your other hand. Also pretty straightforward. So again, if you want to do a multiple swivel cut variation, then you just do the same thing as if you're going to do a multiple swing cut, but it's just going to be a small number of cards, packet, and you're just going to, I'm just showing you slowly, just come over with your other hand and do the move, something like that. Okay, of course you do it with speed, so that'll look better. That is the swing cut and swivel cut. These are all good moves that you should definitely all learn, especially for other kinds of sleights I'm going to be teaching soon. So yep, this is a quick, easy explanation on the swing cut and swivel cut. So hope you guys enjoyed, and see you all next time.